Now we're going to do a couple of examples with circles. There are two things you can find with the circles. The circumference of the circle is the outside. There's two formulas. If you're given the diameter, which is the distance across the circle, you use pi times diameter. If you're given the radius, because the radius is half the diameter, you would double it, 2 pi r. So it says find the circumference of each circle described. This one they gave me the diameter. So I'm going to do pi times the diameter. And in this case, pi would be 3.14. And the diameter for this one would be 12.6. When you multiply that out, you get 39.6 centimeters. Let's look at the next one. A circle with a radius. Now this one they gave us the radius, so we're going to do 2 pi r. Right? So we're going to have 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 1.7. You multiply that out and you get 10.7 meters. Neither of these is squared because we're not finding area. We're just finding the distance around. On this example, we're actually going to find area. Now, area is pi r squared. Okay, so it's the area of the entire thing on the inside, and we're going to square the radius. So it says that we're going to have two pizzas. One is 8-inch in diameter, one is 16-inch in diameter. And it wants to know which one's the better buy. Well, first we need to figure the area. So we're going to do the 8-inch first. So the area of an 8-inch would be 3.14 times the 8 squared, that's your r, for your radius. Actually, we need to do half of that. They gave us the diameter. We need the radius. So we need 4 there. So it's going to be 3.14 times 4 squared. And that's going to give us 50.2 inches squared because we're doing area. Now let's do the other pizza. So pi r squared would be 3.14 times, if the diameter is 16, half of that would be 8. So we're going to have a radius of 8, and 3.14 times 8 squared gives us 201 inches squared. Now we've got to figure out the best price. So you take the price of the pizza, which is $6.99, and you divide it by the area of that pizza, which is 50.2, because we want to figure out how much it is per square inch. We get 13.9 cents. Okay, let's do the other one. Take the price of the pizza, 13.98, and divide it by the total area, which is 201. In this case, you end up with 7.0 cents. So the best buy is going to be the one that is 7 cents, the bigger pizza.